Apple is once again pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology with the highly anticipated iPhone 17. Expected to launch in 2025, this new model promises to introduce several significant upgrades that could change the way we experience mobile devices. From advanced display technology to a sleek new design, the iPhone 17 is shaping up to be a major leap forward from previous models. In this video, we'll explore some of the most exciting features that Apple has planned for this next-generation iPhone. Display. One of the standout features of the iPhone 17 is its ultra-thin OLED display. This new display uses touch and display driver integration, or TDDI technology, which allows for a more responsive and seamless touch experience. Production of this cutting-edge display is expected to begin in the second quarter of 2025, and Apple might be one of the first companies to incorporate it into their smartphones. But Apple isn't stopping there. This new display could also find its way into other popular Apple devices such as iPads and Apple Watches, making it a versatile upgrade across their product lineup. Along with the TDDI technology, the iPhone 17 will come with a 120Hz ProMotion display, ensuring smoother scrolling and more fluid animations. The inclusion of an always-on display adds to its premium feel, allowing users to quickly glance at essential information without having to wake up the device. Design. The iPhone 17 is set to feature a thinner and more refined design, taking inspiration from the original MacBook Air's sleek profile. This slimmer build will not only enhance the phone's aesthetics, but also make it easier to handle. Unlike some recent models that use titanium, the iPhone 17 will come with an aluminum body, making it lighter without compromising on durability. One noticeable change is the Dynamic Island, a feature introduced in earlier models. For the iPhone 17, this Dynamic Island will be more compact, offering a cleaner look on the screen. The display size is rumored to be somewhere between 6.55 and 6.6 inches, striking a perfect balance between portability and visual real estate. In a surprising move, Apple might be shifting to a single rear camera for the iPhone 17, deviating from the multiple lens setup that has been a staple in recent models. This decision could allow for a more minimalistic design while still delivering high-quality photos. Another potential design change is the placement of the rear camera. Instead of being in the corner, Apple may move it to the top center of the phone, creating a more balanced and symmetrical look. On the front, users can expect a powerful 24MP camera equipped with a 6-element lens, perfect for capturing high-quality selfies and making video calls look even better. While the camera setup on the iPhone 17 will likely draw from the strengths of the iPhone 16, these enhancements promise a more polished photography experience. Powering the iPhone 17 will be Apple's latest and most advanced chip to date. The phone is expected to feature the A17 Bionic chip, or possibly an even newer version by the time of its release. This chip will bring a significant boost in performance, ensuring faster processing speeds, improved efficiency, and enhanced support for multitasking and graphics-heavy applications. The A17 Bionic will also pave the way for better battery management, meaning users can expect longer usage times without compromising on power. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or simply switching between apps, the iPhone 17's processor is designed to handle it all with ease. This upgrade will make the phone not just faster, but smarter, as Apple continues to integrate more AI-powered features into their devices. Price. When it comes to price, the iPhone 17 is expected to fall in line with Apple's previous high-end models, with pricing similar to the iPhone 16. However, there are rumors that the version with the most advanced features, especially the one that includes the cutting-edge display and single rear camera, might come at a higher price point than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple has consistently offered premium features at premium prices, and the iPhone 17 will likely be no different. While we don't have exact numbers yet, it's clear that the price will reflect the advanced technology and upgrades packed into the device. To wrap things up, the iPhone 17 is shaping up to be an exciting step forward for Apple's smartphone lineup. With a revolutionary ultra-thin OLED display, a thinner and more refined design, powerful camera upgrades, and the latest in processing technology, it's clear that Apple is aiming to offer a next-level user experience. As always, the iPhone 17 will likely come with a premium price tag, but for those seeking cutting-edge features, it's a worthy contender. The future of smartphones is on the horizon, and the iPhone 17 looks set to lead the charge.